Okay, shall you explain this one? So how many terms in this question number? How many questions here? How many terms here?
2
Two terms. What's the first term? This is the first
x
term.
of bracket x minus 3
Yeah.
And minus 2x inside bracket x minus 5.
Okay, good. Now let's see how to multiply this. You know, from x you have to multiply x and 3. So x times x to the power minus 2 minus x into minus 3 is minus 3x. Right?
x
Then minus 2 into x, what will happen? Minus 2x.
2x.
So minus 2 into minus 5. So when you are multiply 2 negative, it's become positive. 2 times 5.
Yes.
Okay. Now there are like terms here. Okay. Now is there any like term for x to the power 2?
No.
There is only one term. Right? So you can't simplify it further. But these two like terms, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
3x minus 2. So what's the answer?
5x.
Sign?
1x.
Sign?
1x.
Why the 1x come? No. This is not 1x. Why? You can see
Because
their signs are same. Remember it, I have explained this lot. You can see the sign of these two numbers are same. So if the signs are same, you should add 2x and 3x. Same sign you have to add. So 3x and 2x you have to add. So what will be the answer? 5x. Can you tell me the sign?
Minus.
Minus. We always write the sign of a bigger one. The bigger one is 3x. This sign is minus. Where do you write it? After the 5x or before the 5x?
before the 5x.
Before the 5x.
Plus this one we can
Yeah.
simplify further. There is only one constant. So we have to write it first. That's the answer. Okay, we got a second one. Now can you tell me how many terms in this expression?
1. I mean 2.
In this expression? 2 terms. What's the first term? This 3.
3.
3.
These 3 is alone. So that's a term, right? This one? Other term.
And that.
So there are 2 terms. Because you cannot simplify 3 and 5. Many students are making mistake here. So when the questions is given like this, they just simplify 3 and 2 and multiply the bracket. Can't. So 2 in a separate term, right? 3 is in other term. Just like stay in 2 houses, right? 3 and 2 in the different houses, different terms. So what you have to do is, you have to expand the bracket. This bracket you have to expand by minus 2. So what will happen to 3? Until they multiply, 3 will be there as it is. Nothing happened. Now multiply. Minus 2 into x. Remember, when you multiply by minus number, sign change. So minus 2 into x, minus 2.
Minus 2x.
Then what will happen? Minus 2 into plus 5. It become minus 10. Now there are like terms, 3 and minus 5. So you can do it. No need to take them closer. 3 and minus 10. What is the answer?
7.
Minus 7.
Yep. Sign?
Minus.
Very good. Minus 7. Why the minus 7 comes? Because
the larger
this 10
has
is
The bigger number has a negative sign.
10 is negative, the 3 is positive. Different signs you have to
Change.
subtract.
Subtract.
Okay. So the answer will be 7. Its sign should be minus. We write the sign in front of the term and minus 2. Okay, we got the next one. Here how many terms are there? Can somebody tell me how many terms
Excuse me,
here?
sir.
Huh?
Excuse me, sir.
Yep.
In the second one, how did minus 10 come in? Minus 2 and plus 5
You have to multiply, right? So 2 times 5, 10.
10.
So plus minus, when you're multiplying, plus minus become minus, right? When you multiply plus and minus, minus, different sign minus. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now any questions related to this one? Second question?
No, sir.
Okay, very good.
Uh,
Now we'll go to third one again. In the third one, how many terms?
2.
Not 2.
So what about 2x?
3
Three.
terms. Okay, look at here. Now I told you when there's a bracket, it's now x minus 3 become one term. Now x and x minus 3, there's a multiplication between these two. So we have to consider this as one single term. And this 2x, another term. So 8 is another. I told you bracket we considered as one term, and terms are separated by plus signs and minus signs. Now these are 3 terms here. See? So the
So because of the 2x, it's one term.
what? I didn't get it.
Because of the x, it's one term.
You mean this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 2x. There's a multiplication here, right? 2 minus 2 into x. So we consider as one term. 8 is other term. This is the other term. So it's better to know the terms, right? Okay, now this bracket you have to multiply by what? Multiply by my x. Okay, good. Now x times x. X to the power 2. What is x times minus 3? Minus 3x.
Minus 3x.
These two you cannot simplify. Just write it as it is. Minus 2x plus. Now you can simplify if there are like terms. Are there like terms? There's no
Yes.
like term for this one. So you should write it as it is. You can't simplify further. But these two, you can, right?
I like
Minus 3x
Yeah.
minus 2x. We did it earlier also. Minus 5x.
minus 5x
And plus 8.
plus.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.